Sasha. Come on. Come on. Just had a look at the markets. There's nothing happening. Nothing happening just yet. Got my eyes on a few pairs, but a lot of the 3 a.m. moves sometimes there's a big move that happens around 3 a.m. The Asia trading zones. So if that happens, then you just gotta sit on your hands. So there's nothing likely today until might get some setups coming through at the London Open. So that'll be like anywhere from 6 a.m. to about 8 a.m, 9 a.m. UK time. So I'll be on the charts today at that time, and then I got a really busy day at work, so I won't get back on the charts today. But we're already 2% up for the week, so not hugely fussed if I don't trade today. Just gonna take some clean setups, and so I'll probably now just get on, enjoy my morning, man. Just go and chill downstairs with this guy, take him for a walk, do some meditating, read some book or some shit, and just wait to see if any of the stuff, the pairs that I trade, bring some signals to potentially have a look into. It would be quite nice today if a sale comes and I could get some limits, some buy or sell limits set in, and then just go about my day at work and just not look at the charts till later on this afternoon. But this is the whole number one thing with trading, is just got to sit and wait, and fuck me, did it take me a long time to realise that you've just got to sit and wait. The markets are always going to do whatever they're going to do, whether you're in the markets or not. But you decide when you enter, you decide when you exit based on the information that's given to you. And at the minute, not for me, somebody's trading out there for sure. But, is that a big stretch, mate? Yes, fucking guy. Yeah. Sit and wait. Catch you later. This is pretty standard practice, isn't it, mate? I'll get up. You just fucking chill, mate, and keep the bed warm. So I'm in a setup now. Not much I can do now. I mean, it's gonna do what it wants. I'm just gonna watch the charts for an hour or two. I'm not gonna put too much of a stop loss in case it wants to take out these highs. But I'm pretty confident. This is an M15 chart. It's the setup. And it's a dog. That's a doggy dog. I'm gonna have a coffee, read a book, and then do some prayers. I can get on with the to-do list. I can go. I want to have a reality of what it's like sitting on these open positions, ready. Again, I'm not going to go into too much detail, but basically it's just fair value gap of a fair value gap within a fair value gap. So H1, M15, M5, expecting price to just have a really big, strong, bearish day. I got one premium entry and one not so premium entry. Stop losses just above in case price wants to come up, clear these highs and then come back down again. Just give myself some breathing space. And then we've just got this M5 fair value gap to break through. We've just broken through an M1 fair value gap. So now we're expecting price to do a bit of another bullish movement up before it comes back down due to this. But this is it now. Just got to fucking sit here and hope that I can close this trade before we take him out. Isn't that right, puppy? Isn't that right? Come here then. Ow! Row, 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 row. Row, 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 row. Hello. Hello. I'm camera shy. Andiamo. Come on, let's go. Yeah, the whole point of doing this stuff is, so I've just left the markets to do its thing. I probably won't check it now. I'm gonna go and let the dog have a walk, and obviously you've got to back test your data and then have confidence in your setups. So now I'll just go home, start getting ready for work, head into the office, see the guys down there, NW Pals. They're fucking lovely. I absolutely love them all. Sad to hear what's happened with them all, but super excited for the owner as well. And yeah, so I'll just go home. You know, I'm either gonna hit my stop loss now, or I'm gonna TP. So stay tuned, see what happens. Okay, nice and quick. Back in from the walk. Price is done. What we wanted it to do. I ended up putting my stop loss around here. So this is more accurate. Literally just took out 1.5. It's quite a super clean setup, in my opinion, with this higher time frame analysis here. So this, this H4, H4, this H1 fair value gap, followed by, it's probably an M30 one there. Yeah, M30 fair value gap, and M15 fair value gap here. There might be an M5 one there as well. There is an M5 fair value gap. So all of these, like H4, H1, M30, M15, M5, it's all just confluence. It's going to be a good clean setup. Price is probably going to tank and take out today's low. Definitely some of these lows. I'm not going to sit and wait. It might also take tank up to the top. I just don't know, to be honest. So I'm happy. It could reverse now, actually, sweeping these lows, closing back inside to taking out these highs for a further push up. Like I say, we're intraday traders. We are in and out. Because I was quite happy with all of this higher time frame confluence, I risked a little bit more in this trade. I got work, so I was quite happy to just take a 1-to-1 today. But I had a feeling that price was just going to come down and take a little bit more out. So just the way it just reacted off of this price here. So I was really just going for like a 1-to-2 on premium price. But my balls weren't that big to put a stop loss here, so stop loss up there, and then aim for that 1-to-2. So that would have been around 1.5, like return on investment, risk and reward. So risk 1, get 1.5 back. Probabilities still in your favour. So that's me. I'm gonna shoot off to work now. Have a lovely day at work. Really looking forward to it. Put all this behind me. Won't look at the charts till later. Do another analysis later on of how the day closed. I was looking at some other pairs earlier. This is what I was looking at earlier. So again, just the same setup. This is Australian dollar, Swiss francs. You got sweep of the lows, swing lows, bullish market structure. With energy, fair value gap, prices came down and started to push back up. And I think this is Australian dollar, US dollar, exactly the same thing, like that. So you could have, I actually had a position in here, so that's obviously premium. That is the rule set, so we go for premium. My position looked more like this, like that, which I just thought, you know what, at the end of the day, gold was setting up quite nicely. There's no need for me to force any trades, so I just closed my position straight away with, I think, like 0.01% drawdown loss. So close the position on that. I'm expecting price to take out these highs, because it didn't take out those highs. Just from a bigger perspective, it's not taken out yesterday's high, it's not taken out yesterday's low, so I'm expecting price to come down. This is what we call like a turtle swoop, So that to me tells me there's going to be buys today, and I'm thinking buys are probably just gonna just keep pushing up and up and up today. Again, we'll leave this on the charts for both of these to come back later today to kind of see what could have been. So I'll just leave that like so. That's the position I would have taken today on that pair. So yeah, we'll leave that there and come back to it. Peace. Yo, what a fucking day it's been today. Just walked through the door. It's 8:30 PM UK time. I set off for work this morning at 7:30, 8 o'clock this morning. Quite like a good day. Everything just aligned perfectly today. Like, it's not every day this happens. So yeah, just took it in my stride and had a wonderful day at work. Lovely little gym session as well. I'm on a huge conditioning phase for cardio, heart and lungs. So just trying to get my my threshold 5 system working a lot. So good fun, man. Loads of endorphins. Just going to keep it short and sweet. There's a lot of shit that I've posted today in the vlog. Just going to go straight into some analyses. So I've not even looked at the charts since this morning where we set off. So what have we got here? Let's just take some of these off. This is the minute chart call. We don't need that. Yeah, nice. So everything's kind of happened exactly like we thought it was. So stop loss being above these highs in the end, and we took a premium here 1 to 2 on that second position. So once we got this second entry, we took a 1 to 2, and then we closed both positions. But as you can see here, we did say that price was likely to come and take out these highs, if you remember at the start of the call. So we weren't looking for anything too long term today. This is quite nice what happened. So price, we got our TP, taken out our target, and then we expected price to come back up to take out this, which is what we hoped for. And then there's a nice little some good fucking moves today, actually, looking at it. So that was our trade here. So our trade specifically was M5 fair value gap. Failed to take this high at this point. Closed some structure down, price came back up, and then we took out these lows. So we're literally just in and out here, short fire trade. It's in my time zone, setup happened, wicked, get in, get out, intraday trading. That's all it is taking money off the market. As you can see, there's so many opportunities to just get in, get out, get in, get out, get in, get out. It's the fucking greed, man. The greed is what's gonna fucking take your soul, and trust me, mate, I've been there. And yeah, thank God, man. Glory to God for getting me this far. So yeah, lovely little setup there. As soon as price here takes out this high, another little turtle soup there. So this is the fake movement, turtle soup again, another fair value gap. Premium price wasn't no entry for premium price. So that's where you're risking more because you're getting a better entry position. Could have got a 1 to 3. If you went for normal low risk stuff, you're looking at, again, still would have got a 1 to 2, which is lovely. Price has not quite cleared the high here, yesterday's high. Again, price just comes down, liquidates these positions. Another market structure shift, but there is no way for entry on this type of analysis that we're doing. In my opinion, in what my coach has taught me, there is like another entry that you could have, in theory, just market structure shift and just gone like that, pulled another 1 to 5, market structure shift again, fair value gap, price here didn't pull back, no entry. So
you can just see like how you can make so much money on a choppy day if you just stick to your rules of, has price liquidated previous highs or lows? Is it turning back around? Is there current lows and highs to be liquidated? Yes. Okay, cool. Can you get onto a retracement? Yes, no. And then it's just basically just following suit. Again, you've got another turtle soup here happening, same as there. So turtle soup 1, turtle soup 2. Turtle soup is a fake direction of a movement for further sells in the opposite direction. Unfortunately, there was no pullback for a price point in this zone, so no sells really. There is a fair value gap just below it, which is the freshest point. But again, you're looking at that type of loss. So again, you could have got another 1 to 2, so lots of money being able to make today, but that's a lot of stress managing all these trades. I stick to like 1 or 2 pairs a day, and if I'm in profit, like I'm making money, I don't need to keep entering and losing and shit, because if one of these goes against you, then so say like you start the day like I did today, I made another percent today, so I'm up 3% in total. So say I've made money here and I've got a busy day at work, why do I want to stress myself out with trying to get good entries of all of this? Just take your money, clear your head, fucking start a new day. Just to like confirm here, so £293 on a 10 grand account, so it's 2.93% in 3 days. So it's there. Just to like say, I'm going to do like a weekly analysis each week of profit P&L assessments at the weekend. That's what the weekend vlogs are going to be like, with direction and that. So yeah, these are some trades that I took. These are some paper trades that I looked at. AUD, Australian dollar, US dollar. And again, what time frame am I in? M5, fair value gap, set a limit, stop loss at this low, and managed to pull a 1 to 2 just. It wasn't the cleanest of cleans, this one. And again, this was just a paper trade. This wasn't a trade that I took officially on the account that I'm working and showing you guys. So this one ended up getting a 1 to 2 marginally, and then it would have got stopped out. But again, there is a little entry here if you go up to the M15 fair value gap. So M15 fair value gaps are stronger than M5. You could have put a stop loss there, entry there, limit. So basically, as soon as you saw this fair value gap with the turtle sweep that's there, sweeping these lows, all of this time frame here, coming down to this low and respecting it. So because price has not gone lower than here, we're expecting a push up at this point with the new fair value gap. Set a limit here, fuck off for your day, mate. Don't even look at the charts again until later on at night time. TP 1 to 2, taking out these highs, cool, done, that's it. And as you can see, if you did this trade again, you would have got a 1 to 2 there. That's a safer bet. Again, you could have taken the one that I went to paper trade earlier. Again, quicker trades, but again, do you know what I mean? It's up to you how stressful you want to manage your trades. Do you want to be in, out, high stress levels and fuck off, or do you want to safer trade and make it less easy? I also looked at AUD CHF, exact same setup, same principles. No M5 fair value gap. That's liking me off. M15 fair value gap, exactly the same here. And yeah, M15 fair value gap, set the lows there. As you can see, price pulled up, got a 1 to 1, and then came back down before doing any movements. So again, that would have been a loss if I decided to take it, although I didn't decide to take it because in my to-do list today it was like, do not take any trades unless they're super clean. This isn't the cleanest moves because this price has taken out these highs, so I'm expecting price to take out these lows before any bullish movement. So this wasn't the cleanest. This was a little bit cleaner on today's approach. But for me, because I had this open sell position, which to me was really clear that there was going to be some liquidation of these lows in a quick time. So for me, that was the move that I wanted to take. As soon as I took that position, that was 7:30 this morning. I TP'd on that and I entered at 22.7. So 50-minute total trade, 1%, £100 on that account. In, out, done. I'm in a good little spot. I got some time tomorrow to trade, so I'll have another look again. I won't know till the morning of what's happening. Yeah, that's it, man. That's it. Day in, day out. Just fucking sit and wait. I'm up, so I've had losing trades, not a losing day yet. So there will come a day where I have a loss. There's no way I'm gonna even attempt this challenge without a day's loss. Just to give some context of I went and saw one of my trading mates. I'm just going to pause the screen for a second, pause the recording. Yo, we're back. So just to go against like the whole profit margins and the way that you accumulate and compound. So anybody that's saying like, oh yeah, like £100 a day is like fuck all. Well, it's 1% a day at the minute. That can get more or less. If I was on the charts today, that might have been a little bit higher. We're not here. It's not a fucking marathon, and this is my this is a £100,000 trading account that we've had. So just have a look at the numbers. This is what we're looking to be generating as income within 3 months. Within 3 months, we'll be looking at pulling some of these figures through. So as you can see, it's very much more achievable when you have an understanding and you have a plan. We're not just doing this to just fucking gamble and make shit up. This is the plan of action that we've got. We've put a whole 3-month plan, 6-month plan, 12-month plan. So yeah, it's the actions speak for itself. I'm just showing you from a point of like nothing to what you can create in a realistic time period. And we might not pass this plan in a year. We might get to X amount and then think, fuck it, we want to do it again next year. But it's just trying to document the journey for a realistic approach, so you can see. I'm probably not going to have a big vlog tomorrow, just stick to like some trading shit and go from there. But yeah, I hope you appreciated this. Like I say, I'm trying to go more on the mindset approach about how just a fucking normal guy can do this. You can do this. Anyone can do this. Discord calls, all that bollocks will come later down the line, but just send some love, send some support if you're interested. Let me know, and then when that stuff starts to come out, I'll hit you up and say, yo, we're live, let's get involved. Anyway, bro, boys and girls, no bros, bros and hoes, suck your mum, ciao.